You might not see it happening, but while you scroll your feed, a tech revolution is underway. And no, this isn't just about new smartphones or social media updates. It's a silent race that's changing the way we work, learn, shop, and live. Today, I'm showing you the 7 trends reshaping the United States. And soon enough, they'll be knocking on your door. So pay attention, because what's coming will impact your life, whether you're ready or not. Trend 1, Agentic AI, artificial intelligence that acts on its own. Let's start with AI that doesn't just respond. It decides. We're already used to virtual assistants and AI tools that finish sentences. But in the US, things are moving fast. Companies are building agentic AI systems that plan, make decisions, execute complex tasks without waiting for human approval. They organize your schedule, negotiate contracts, automate processes, all without anyone pressing a button. Sounds convenient. It is. But if AI is acting on its own, who controls it? Trend 2, military AI, the invisible war. And if you think AI is just for business, think again. The Pentagon is signing billion-dollar deals with tech giants. AI is already controlling drones, running defense systems, and leading military operations with zero human input. Swarm drones, autonomous strike systems. It's real, and it's happening now. We've entered a new era where war doesn't start with tanks or soldiers. It starts with algorithms and machines making the decisions when it's already on the battlefield. So again, who controls the AI? Trend 3, smart glasses. Tech on your face while all this happens. Technology is literally landing on your face. Smart glasses are making a comeback. Meta, Ray-Ban, and others are selling millions of units. But it's not just fashion. They translate languages in real time, record videos, and connect directly to AI right through your lenses. Feels like it's happening now. But what about privacy? When everyone can record, listen, and capture information. Where's the line between public and personal? Trend 4, quantum computing and 6G. The new tech race, while most of the world is figuring out 5G. The US, Japan, and Europe are already testing 6G. We're talking extreme speeds, connecting people, cars, machines, everything in real time, and with it comes quantum computing. Machines with thousands of qubits, capable of solving problems that break today's security systems. It's already underway. Whoever dominates 6G and quantum computing controls global communications, security, and markets. And that race, Trend 5, AI and retail. The store already knows. You ever feel like stores know exactly what you want? They do. In the US, AI is embedded in retail. It tracks your habits, analyzes your behavior, and offers you products you didn't even know you wanted. Online and physical stores are blending together, and they already know you better than you think. But here's the question. Isn't human if everything's being tracked? How much privacy do you really have left? Trend 6, AI in education. Lessons that think for themselves. Now picture a classroom where the teacher in the US, AI is entering schools. It adapts lessons, personalizes content, grades tests automatically. On one hand, it sounds efficient. On the other, who decides what you learn? Or worse, what you don't learn? AI in education creates new opportunities, but also risks, and almost no one's talking about the consequences. Trend 7, the AI energy crisis. The hidden cost of innovation. And finally, the side of tech. No one talks about AI consumes energy at an insane scale. Massive data centers run 24/7. And in the US, they're even reactivating nuclear plants to keep AI running. Is real. 3 Mile Island. Yeah, the one with the near nuclear disaster is now powering AI servers. The promise of clean, efficient tech slipping away fast. The environmental cost of this revolution. These are the 7 tech trends reshaping today and tumor. AI that acts alone, autonomous warfare, smart glasses, 6G, quantum computing, retail that knows you, AI in classrooms, and the hidden energy crisis feels overwhelming. This is just the beginning. The real question isn't if you're ready. It's if you're paying attention. At Coffee and IT, we expose the stories no one else explains. Tech, power, and the hidden side of innovation. Like this kind of conversation, follow Coffee and IT because the future isn't waiting for you.